How to hide TikTok followers. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the TikTok application on your device over here. So just launch the TikTok application and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and then tap on settings and privacy. As you tap on settings and privacy, here you can see the option of privacy. So just tap on the privacy section. And here you can see the option of private account. So just toggle on this option. So when you toggle on the option of private account and then you switch to personal account, then that is the only way you can hide your TikTok followers, because for a public account to hide TikTok followers is not available feature as of now. So you can just toggle on this option and then tap on switch anyway, and you'll be able to hide TikTok followers. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.